Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can repost somebody else's story on Facebook. So for instance, they tagged you in a Facebook story and you just want to repost it. It's actually super simple to do. Make sure somebody has tagged you in a story though, or else you cannot really repost it. Well, I don't really use Facebook a lot, so I know like my friends don't like post stuff here or tag me in it. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to open up a story here and you are going to select the three dots, and then as you can see there's no like repost because obviously Connor Franta didn't tag me in a video, but you're just going to select repost. It's going to be there unless your friends they like disabled their reposts, then unfortunately you're not able to repost their Facebook story. You can also copy link to share to the story, like it's going to redirect to that story. You could do that if they refuse to enable their reposts. And yeah, again, I'll show it to you. You're just going to select it, select the three dots, and then you're going to select copy link to share the story, or if there's like a repost, you're just going to select the repost button. Again, I can't really show it to you guys because I don't really have people tagging me on here, so I can't repost stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can repost stories on Facebook. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends, family, if they don't know how to do this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I know many of you just go to a tutorial and don't subscribe, but trust me, subscribe. We have tons of videos on tutorials and how to and whatnot. And if you have any more questions regarding to this video or maybe about other videos, you can just leave it in the comment section and we will try our best to reply to you guys. It's very hard because we get a lot of comments. We get a lot of comments, but we will try our best to answer them. And if you really like this video, you can also click on the thanks button as well. It's like I think above the description box or below it. I'm not quite sure where it is honestly, but there's a thanks button, and if you really like this video you can click on it if you'd like to. I'm just waiting for time to pass right now. Anyways, again, I'll show it to you one more time just in case you missed it. Select a story, select the three dots, either copy link to share the story, or you're going to obviously repost it if somebody has tagged you in that post. That is it for this video. I hope it helped you guys. I hope it helped whoever did not know how to repost a story on Facebook. And don't comment like, oh my gosh, this is such a beginner thing, because sometimes not everyone will know how to do stuff. That's why how-tos are so important, and that's why this channel exists. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.